A bidet toilet combo gives you a toilet and bidet system in a single coordinated purchase, either a toilet paired with a matching bidet seat or a fully integrated one-piece unit where everything is built into the porcelain. In this video, we cover 5 of the best currently available in Amazon. 1. TOTO WASHLET plus Drake. 2. The TOTO WASHLET plus Drake 2 paired with the S7A is the most purchased bidet toilet combo on Amazon by verified review volume, and it delivers TOTO's flagship bidet seat features on one of the brand's most trusted residential toilet bowls. The Drake 2 bowl uses TOTO's Tornado flush system, 2 angled nozzles built into the rim that generate a centrifugal water flow around the full bowl interior on every flush. That spiraling action rinses the complete bowl surface rather than concentrating water in one area, which reduces visible residue after each flush. The bowl interior carries Cephiontex ceramic glaze, an ion barrier surface that prevents waste from bonding to the porcelain, lowering the cleaning effort required between scrubbing sessions. The S7A seat operates with tankless, instantaneous water heating, delivering unlimited warm water for every wash cycle. E-Water Plus automatically mists the bowl and the wand with electrolyzed water before and after each use, reducing bacterial buildup without any user input. Pre-Mista wets the bowl interior before each use, making the surface less likely to retain waste. The auto open and close lid responds to a proximity sensor, no handle touching required. 5 wash modes, 5 pressure levels, 5 temperature settings, and a 4-user memory remote are all included. But the WASHLET Plus concealed connection design hides the power cord and water supply hose inside a channel on the back of the bowl. No exposed wiring visible from outside. WaterSense certified at 1.28 gallons per flush. 3-year warranty on the seat, 1 year on the toilet. This is the right choice for most homeowners who want a proven TOTO system with the flagship seat at the most trusted price-to-feature ratio on Amazon. 2. TOTO NEOREST NX2. The TOTO NEOREST NX2 is TOTO's most advanced residential bidet toilet combo, a fully integrated one-piece unit where the toilet, bidet, and every cleaning system are built directly into the porcelain body with no separate seat and no visible seam. The defining feature is Actolite, a technology exclusive to the NEOREST line. A UV light mounted inside the unit activates a photocatalytic zirconium coating applied to the bowl interior after every flush. That activation triggers a chemical reaction that breaks down organic matter on the bowl surface at a molecular level, without any cleaning product, any cartridge, or any user action. Combined with E-Water plus bowl misting and pre-misty pre-wetting, the bowl maintains a cleaner surface between manual cleaning sessions than any other residential toilet currently available. The dual flush system operates at 1.0 gallons for a full flush and 0.8 gallons for a partial flush, the lowest flush volumes of any toilet on this list and among the lowest available in North American residential plumbing. The auto open and close lid responds to proximity, auto flush activates on departure. Tankless warm water, heated seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, and nightlight are all integrated into the unit. Bowl height is ADA compliant. The 3-year residential warranty is the longest available on any product in this video. TOTO has sold over 50 million WASHLET units globally and manufactured toilets for over 100 years. This is the right choice for a master bathroom renovation where the highest available self-cleaning technology and the most seamless integrated design are the priorities. 3. EPLO U8 Max. The EPLO U8 Max is a fully integrated one-piece bidet toilet combo that delivers auto flush, foam shield bowl protection, and a built-in backup battery at a price significantly below both TOTO options. And it includes one feature neither TOTO model offers at any price: power outage flushing capability. The built-in backup battery activates automatically when household power is interrupted, maintaining full flushing function for a period after the outage begins. In a standard smart toilet without battery backup, a power outage renders the flush system inoperable until power is restored. For a toilet in a primary bathroom, that is a meaningful practical limitation. The EPLO 8MAX removes it. The foam shield dispenser releases a layer of dense foam into the bowl automatically before each use. That foam layer reduces splashback during use, prevents waste from adhering directly to the bowl surface, and helps contain odors below the waterline. The result is a bowl that requires less scrubbing between regular cleaning sessions. The integrated tank and pump system generates consistent flushing pressure regardless of household water supply pressure, useful in homes where supply pressure is variable. The foot sensor flush activates when the user's foot passes beneath the front of the unit, allowing hands-free flushing without requiring auto-flush activation. A DA-compliant height at 17.41 inches, MAP score of 1,000 grams, CUPC, ETL, and CEC certified. This is the right pick for homeowners who want a full-featured integrated bidet toilet combo with backup battery protection at a mid-range price. 4. Woodbridge B0960S. The Woodbridge B0960S is one of the highest reviewed integrated bidet toilet combos on Amazon, consistently rated 4.5 stars across hundreds of verified buyer purchases. And it delivers a complete set of smart toilet features with the backing of a US-based brand with coast-to-coast warehouse support. The automatic flush system activates when the user stands and moves away from the toilet using a departure sensor rather than a time delay. That sensor-based approach reduces unnecessary flush activations compared to systems that flush after a fixed time interval, regardless of whether the user has actually finished. The 1.28-gallon siphonic flush carries through a fully glazed trapway that reduces friction and the risk of partial blockages over time. The ionized carbon filter deodorizer draws bathroom air through an activated carbon filter continuously during use, neutralizing odors at the source rather than releasing fragrance to mask them. That approach is more effective for sustained odor control during longer bathroom use than spray-type deodorizers. The bidet wand offers posterior wash, feminine wash, and pulsating wash mode, 3 distinct functions controlled from the wireless remote. Heated seat temperature is adjustable. The warm air dryer activates at the end of the wash cycle. ADA-compliant height at 17 1/8 inches. Certifications include UL 1431, CSAC22, IPC, UPC, NPC, and IAPMO-EGS. Woodbridge has manufactured bathroom products since 2005 with US-based customer support. This is the right pick for homeowners who want a highly reviewed integrated bidet toilet combo with strong certification coverage and domestic brand support. 5. TOTO WASHLET plus Drake 2. The TOTO WASHLET plus Drake 2 with the C5 seat is the most accessible entry point into a genuine TOTO bidet toilet combo on Amazon, delivering the core washlet features that define the brand at the lowest TOTO price currently available. The C5 seat retains the 2 features that make TOTO washlet technology distinctively practical in daily use: Premised E and eWater Plus. Premised automatically wets the bowl interior before each use, reducing waste adhesion on the porcelain surface. eWater Plus mists the wand with electrolyzed water before and after every individual wash cycle, self-cleaning the nozzle without any manual activation. Both functions operate automatically once the seat is installed. The wash system includes front and rear warm water wash with 5 adjustable pressure settings and 5 temperature settings for each mode. Oscillating wash moves the nozzle across a wider area rather than holding one fixed position. The heated seat has 5 temperature settings. The warm air dryer has 3 settings. An automatic air deodorizer activates during use. The wireless remote wall mounts beside the toilet. Compared to the S7A bundle, the C5 does not include an auto open and close lid, eWater plus automated bowl misting, or the 4-user memory preset system. All core wash and hygiene functions are otherwise present. The washlet plus concealed connection design hides the cord and supply hose. WaterSense, CalGreen, and CEC certified at 1.28 gallons per flush. This is the right starting point for homeowners who want a genuine TOTO washlet combo with Premised and eWater Plus at the most accessible price the brand offers on Amazon.